Sabi mo yung kapatid mo, ay, yung pinsan mo, Usapin mo yung pinsan mo. Wag mo na siyang suportahan bilang speaker at sabihin mo, you will support an initiative na tanggalin siya as Speaker of the House. Advice lang, brotherly advice lang sa'yo. I'm trying to save you, no? I'm trying to save you. Kasi pagka hindi, you really will go down. Hinahayaan mo eh. Hinahayaan mo. Sabihan mo yung asawa mo, wag ka munang makialam. Dear, honey, darling, sweetheart, wag ka munang makikialam. Mamalasing ka sa akin, wag ka munang makialam. Alam ko, under ako sa'yo, pero this time, wag ka munang makialam. Tigre muna ako. Hindi ako kuting. Binoto ako ng taong bayan and it is my duty and responsibility. So, yung drugs, deny mo as far as you want, magpa-drug test ka para mawala yung issue, di ba? Kung meron talagang video, ay yari, good luck. Good luck. Kaya nga, ang isa pa yung you pull off a Gloria Arroyo. I am sorry. Noon, meron akong